Supabase versus Qdrant, which vector database is better? Choosing the right vector database can completely change how you manage and search your data without sacrificing speed or scalability. We'll explore both Supabase and Qdrant briefly. Supabase and Qdrant are both popular vector databases designed for handling high-dimensional data. Supabase offers a comprehensive backend platform including vector search, while Qdrant focuses specifically on advanced vector similarity search with optimized performance. The core difference lies in Supabase's all-in-one platform versus Qdrant's specialized approach. Supabase is an open-source backend-as-a-service platform that integrates a vector database within its ecosystem. It provides a Postgres-based database enhanced with vector search capabilities, allowing developers to manage relational and vector data together seamlessly. Supabase works by embedding vectors directly into Postgres using extensions like kgvector, enabling similarity search alongside traditional queries. Its strengths include a full backend solution with authentication, real-time subscriptions, and storage, making it ideal for projects that require more than just vector search. Supabase's vector search is flexible and benefits from the robustness and scalability of Postgres. However, its limitations lie in performance for extremely large-scale or latency-sensitive vector search workloads, where specialized engines might excel. The ideal user is a developer or team looking for an integrated backend platform with moderate vector search needs, who values ease of setup and a broad feature set beyond just vector similarity. Qdrant is a purpose-built vector database designed specifically for high-performance similarity search on large-scale vector data. It uses advanced indexing algorithms such as HNSW, hierarchical navigable small world graphs to deliver fast and accurate nearest neighbor searches. Qdrant stores vectors efficiently and supports filtering by metadata, making it suitable for complex search scenarios. It works by ingesting vector embeddings and building optimized indexes that allow low-latency queries even on millions of vectors. Its strengths include scalability, speed, and specialized vector search features, making it well-suited for AI, recommendation systems, and multimedia search applications. However, Qdrant focuses solely on vector search and lacks the broader backend services that platforms like Supabase provide. This means additional infrastructure is needed for authentication, storage, or real-time features. The ideal user is a data scientist or engineer focused on building high-performance vector search applications who requires specialized indexing and query capabilities without the overhead of a full backend platform. Comparing Supabase and Qdrant highlights their different strengths in real-world use cases. Supabase excels when you want an all-in-one backend solution that combines vector search with relational data management, authentication, and real-time updates. For example, a startup building an app with user profiles, file storage, and vector search can benefit from its integrated services. On the other hand, Qdrant outperforms in scenarios requiring ultra-fast, large-scale vector similarity search, such as AI-powered recommendation engines or image search platforms. Its specialized indexing delivers lower latency and higher throughput but requires additional tools for back-end features. The trade-off is between convenience and specialization. Supabase offers a broader ecosystem with moderate vector search performance, while Qdrant delivers top-tier vector search speed and scalability at the cost of added infrastructure complexity. Choose Supabase if you need a versatile backend platform with integrated vector search, especially for projects requiring real-time features and relational data alongside vector queries. Opt for Qdrant when your priority is high-performance vector similarity search at scale, particularly for AI or multimedia applications. Its specialized focus ensures speed and accuracy, making it the better choice if you can manage additional backend components separately.